Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And today I'll be showing you how I store my coriander in the fridge, because where I live you only find the coriander on Thursdays, only once in a week. So when I go and to buy, I always buy more so that and then I store them in my fridge. Let me show you how I do it. So after, you have to wash them well, and then choose the one which are fresh, and then you put aside, let them dry completely. I normally let them dry, I think almost 6 hours. I leave them there to dry. And then after they have dried, after they are dried, like you can see in the picture, you take a serviette and then you place them in the serviette, the portions that you're gonna be using. You see there, I'm putting it, and then you roll, and then you put them in a polythene paper, and then you're ready to put in the fridge. Thank you for watching.